My favorite part of working at Forge has definitely been the people.
The people here.
The people who work here and all of the interns.
The community aspect of it all.
Everybody is so welcoming and so eager to help you, even if they're outside of your department.
So it's like a great culture here. You come in and everyone's really excited and inviting and open to talk to you.
It doesn't necessarily matter if we're introverted or extroverted, we're all super different here.
I know I'm gonna talk to my friends and I know I'm gonna get work done and feel fulfilled at the end of the day.
I think something special about Forge is like they actually give us a lot of responsibility and they really do care about the work we do and how we develop as a person. The stuff that I'm doing, I will actually present to like senior management and it could really have an impact on patients' lives and on the company someday.
It's really great to see that the manufacturing processes that we develop are going to be used to purify drug products that are going to be used in clinical trials to really help somebody and extend the life of people with rare diseases.
Not only does the opportunity to impact patient families make this experience extremely rewarding, but the professional growth opportunities that come from it are immensely valuable to life after this internship and into a future career.
I loved all the networking activities and just bonding they have us do as an intern group to really get to know your peers.
We had talked to a bunch of different specialists and scientists all throughout Forge in all of the different departments so that we could get the knowledge of what everyone else was doing and maybe inspire a few of us to go into a few career paths.
The Ignite program has really helped me by helping pair me up with mentors who already have a lot of experience in this field.
Having people who are ready to help me at any time, especially when I'm in the lab and I don't understand how to do something, there's a group of people who are prepared to answer questions, are ready to host an intern.
Everybody that is in the lab, anytime I've asked any question, I've always felt supported.
Where I am now is so much different from where I started because now I have gained so many new skills and techniques.
Here I've really grown in my confidence and my ability to ask questions and feel comfortable in a professional workplace. And I also think I've gained a lot of knowledge and skills about the field of engineering that I'm in.
Come here with an open heart, open eyes, and open ears. Be ready to learn, and not only learn, but absorb the content you're taking.
You can be in the lab, behind a computer, working with a camera. No matter what your major is, you'll find something here at Forge.
Forge is full of great people with great ideas, great personalities, and they have a lot to offer beyond just a job.